Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing the second part of the exercise 3.4 of the NCERT class 12 maths book, which is the matrices chapter. Now we are at the 10th question. So let's start. The matrix which is given is 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. You have to find the inverse by elementary transformations. We are going to do column transformation, so we have written this equation: A is equal to AI. Now we substitute the values of A and the identity matrix. Now in the previous video also we had seen the trick how we have to do column transformations. So you always go in this direction. So the first element, second element, third element and fourth element. So first we'll go to the first element, that is 3. We have to make it 1. Now we have to see how we can make this 1. So instead of subtraction, here the easier way would be to divide it by 3. If you prefer subtraction, you can do that also, or addition. It would be, you can say that 3 or C1 plus 2 times C2. That way also you could do. Here we have done the division method. So you just divide C1 by 3. So C1 is C1 by 3. So you'll get 3 by 3 is 1. Minus 4 by 3 is minus 4 by 3. 1 by 3 and 0 on the RHS. And the rest elements as they are. Now we proceed to the second element. Minus 1, you have to make this 0. For that, if you just simply add C2 to C1, you will get it as 0 because minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So our second transformation will be C2 is C2 plus C1. So it will be minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 2 minus 4 by 3 is 2 by 3. 0 plus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. And the rest of the elements as they are. Now next element is 2 by 3. We have to make this 1. To make it 1, you just multiply it by 3 by 2. So C2 is 3 by 2 times C2. So this is 0 into 3 by 2 is 0. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 is 1. 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 is half. 1 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. And the rest of the elements as they are. Now we are left with only one of the elements, that is minus 4 by 3, to make it 0. To make it 0, we can just add the second element by multiplying it by 4 by 3. So C1 is C1 plus 4 by 3 times C2. So this will become 0. This will be 1 by 3 plus 4 by 6, which is 1. And 0 plus 4 by 2, or 0 plus 2, which is 2. Now we have made the LHS the identity matrix, so we have already got the inverse, which is 1 half 2 3 by 2. Now let's go to the next question, 11th one, where the matrix is 2 minus 6 1 minus 2. Now it's a column matrix, so column transformation. So we again substitute the values. A is equal to AI is the equation to be used. Now again we go to the first element, which is 2. To make it 1, we again use the division. So it will be C1 is half C1, or C1 by 2. So we'll get 2 by 2 and 1 by 2 and minus 6 and minus 2 as they are. 1 by 2 and 0, 0 and 1 as they are. Now we go to the second element. The second element is minus 6. To make it 0, we can just use the first column by multiplying it by plus 6. So we'll get minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Minus 2 plus 6 by 2, which is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Similarly on the RHS, it will be 0 plus 6 by 2, that is 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now next we have also finished the third element. So third element is 1 already. So we don't need to do anything to it. Next will be the fourth element, which is half. To make it 0, we'll just use the subtraction operation by multiplying second column by half. So this will be 1 minus 0 and half minus half, which is 0. and the RHS it will be half minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1, and this will be 0 minus half, which is minus half. Now we have converted the LHS to the identity matrix, so we have got that RHS is the inverse matrix. Now next we go to the 12th question. 12th question is 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Again substitute the values in the equation. Now first element we have to make it 1. To make it 1 we can just divide it by 6. So you'll get 6 by 6 is 1, minus 2 by 6 is minus 1 by 3, 1 by 6 is 1 by 6, and 0 by 6 is 0. And the rest of the elements as they are. Now we go to the second one. Second element is minus 3. To make this 0, we can just multiply the first column by 3 and add it to the second column. So we'll get C2 is C2 plus 3 times C1. So it will be minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 1 minus 3 by 3 is again 0. So this is 0 and 0, and on the RHS we'll get 0 plus 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Now what we can observe is that and the LHS, 2 of the elements or all of the elements on column number 2 is 0. So we know that if either all the zeros in a column or all the zeros in a row of the LHS matrix is 0, means A inverse does not exist. So we stop here and we say that A inverse does not exist because all the elements on column 2 are 0. Now next question. The matrix is 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. A is equal to AI. Substitute the value of the matrix. Go to the first element. First element is 2. To make it 1, you just divide it by 2. So it will be 1 and minus half. Similarly at the RHS it will be 1 half and 0. And rest of the elements as they are. Now we go to the second element. It is minus 3. To make it 0, we just multiply first element by 3, first column by 3, and add it to it. So you get minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 2 minus 3 by 2 is half. And on the RHS you'll get 0 plus 3 by 2 is 3 by 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. And the rest of the elements as they are. Now we go to the third element. Third element is half. To make it 1, we multiply it by 2. So C2 is 2 times C2. So you'll get 0 and 1. Rest of the elements as they are. Similarly, 3 by 2 into 2 is 3, and 1 into 2 is 2. Now we are left with the last element, which is minus half. We have to make this 0. So we'll again multiply the second column by half and add it to the first column, which will make it 0. So similarly to the RHS, you have half plus 3 by 2, which is 2, and 0 plus 1, which is 1, because 2 by 2 is 1. So we have got the inverse because LHS is already converted to an identity matrix. Now we go to the next question, which is the 14th one. The matrix is 2 1 4 2. Now when we substitute the values, we find the first element is not 1. To make it 1, what we can do is just divide it by 2. So C1 is C1 by 2. C1 by 2 will give us 1 and 2. Because 2 by 2 is 1, 4 by 2 is 2. And the second column is 1 and 2. Similarly, on the RHS identity matrix, 1 divided by 2 is half. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Rest of the elements as they are. Now, we have to convert the second element to 0. For that, you will subtract the first column from the second column. So it will be C2 is C2 minus C1. So it will be 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Similarly, on the RHS, 0 minus half is minus half, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So we can see that these are the elements, but on the LHS you can see that all the zeros in the second column are, or all the elements in the second column are 0. So A inverse does not exist. So we can stop here. Now we go to the 15th question. Now here we have a 3 cross 3 question. So let's solve this. Again we'll use the column transformation. So the equation will be A is equal to A into I. Substitute the values. Now here the identity matrix will be 3 cross 3. It's 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2 is equal to A into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now first element should be made 1. So for that what we can do is just divide it by 2. So C1 is C1 by 2, which will give us 1, 1, 3 by 2. Similarly on the RHS we'll have 1 by 2, 0, 0. And the rest of the elements as they are, we can just copy it. Minus 2, 3, 3, 2. Now second element. Second element is minus 3. To make it 0, what we can do is either use the first column or we can also use the second column. So we can just add second column to third column. So C2 is C2 plus C3. So this will be 0. This will be 5. This will be again 0. And 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3 by 2 as they are. Now on the RHS, you have 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So you have these on the RHS. Now we go to the third element. Third element is 3. To make the 0, what we can do is use the first column because the second column doesn't have a value like from integers. So it is 0. We can use the first column. So we can say that C3 is C3 minus 3 times C1. Let's do it on the next page. C3 is C3 minus 3 times C1, which is 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 9 by 2. We'll just do that. 2 minus 9 by 2 will give us minus 5 by 2. And on the RHS we'll have 0 minus 3 by 2, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So it will be minus 3 by 2, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, half 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 5, 3 by 2, 0. Now we have already converted all these. Now we go to the next one. We can either do this or this one. We'll go to this third one. Third one, to make this 1, we have to just multiply it by minus 2 by 5. So C3 is minus 2 by 5 times C3. So this will be 0, 0, 1 is equal to A into minus 3 or plus 3 by 5. 0, minus 2 by 5. 0, 1, 1, half, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 1, 3 by 2. Now, next element is this one. To make this 1, we can just divide the central column by 5. So C2 is 1 by 5 times C2. So you'll get 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 5, half, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3 by 2. Now we have done all these elements. We have changed all these to identity matrix elements. Now we are left with these two. We can select either this one or this one. So first element, here it's 1. To make this 0, we can just say C1 is C1 minus C2. So C1 is C1 minus C2. So this will give us 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 by 2 minus 0 is 0. 3 by 2. Half minus 0 is half. 0 minus 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. Again 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. And this will be 0, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. 3 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 5. And rest of the elements as they are. Now we are left with only this element. We have to make the 0. So C1 is C1 minus 3 by 2 times C3. Because if we use this element, even this second element will change. We will be using only the third column. So C1 is C1 minus 3 by 2 times C3. So this will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to A. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 3 by 5. So this will give us 1 by 2 minus 9 by 10. So this will give us 5 minus 9 by 10, which is minus 4 by 10, which is minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 minus 0 will give us minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 will give us 2 by 5. 0, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 5. So we have already converted the left hand side to an identity matrix of 3 cross 3. So the RHS is the inverse of A.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.